Number 4. Developing your brand. How to establish a brand that resonates with your target audience and stands out in the crowded online marketplace. Welcome to this video on developing your brand. Your brand is more than just your logo and color scheme, it's the emotional connection you create with your customers. Here are some tips on how to establish a brand that resonates with your target audience and stands out in the crowded online marketplace. First, identify your unique selling proposition and values that differentiate you from your competitors. Next, create a brand voice and messaging that speaks to your target audience. Consistency is key, so make sure your brand is reflected in all aspects of your business, including your website, social media, and customer service. Remember to monitor your brand reputation and respond to customer feedback to maintain a positive image.